Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Acura TLX maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button slash scroller. You can click on it for enter and scroll. Okay, and we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Now go ahead and use the scroller to go scroll down to setting. Enter on vehicle setting. Now scroll down all the way down until you find maintenance info. Enter on that. Scroll down to reset. Enter on reset. And we are done, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.